All right, today we're gonna bring a camel crown women's ski jacket. This is a perfect jacket for winter. Now, they do have variety of colors and also styles, all right, in different sizes too. Now, this is perfect for pretty much cold weather, all right? And it's gonna give you water protection, waterproof in certain areas. You could tighten up corners. If you're going skiing, especially for your hands. If you're wearing gloves, you could loosen them up. This sweater, jacket, I mean, can zip all the way to the top. And it has a crown that you could become into the actual hood of it, right? On top of the hood, there's also Velcro that you could cross connect to each other, and of course, pull the strings. Once you get the pull strings, it's easy to come on and easy to come off. So it's one of those things that is perfect for winter. You could get it in various colors and various sizes. And one of the best things I like about it that has wool inside, like a material that's very warm, and it keeps you like really warm throughout either the coldest days, even the rainy days too. So it's one of those things that you want to maybe give it as a gift or maybe buy for yourself for this winter. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.